Hi kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. Hele! Today, we're going to discuss about the types of business. In this lesson, you will learn and understand the different types of business. Are you ready? What is a business? Business is the practice of making one's living or making money by producing or buying and selling products or services. A business can range from small to large enterprise. These are the different types of business. Sole proprietorship. This is the simplest among all other types of business. It is owned and managed by a single person only. Proprietor is the term used referring to the owner of this type of business. Partnership. This consists of two or more persons. Each person contributes monetarily to the business fund. The profits earned will be divided among themselves. There are two kinds of partnership: general and limited partnerships. General partnership. Each member has an equal authority to manage and control the business and to make decisions regarding the business as well. Limited partnership. The members have limited authority in managing and running the business. Most of the members act as an investor rather than an owner. Corporation. A group of people who contributes to the business in the form of investments and capital. The people under a corporation are called shareholders. Cooperative. A non-profit organization which is operated by the members of the organization. A group of people who has the same mutual, social, economic, and cultural benefit or common goal. The group cares less for business gains and is more focused on the benefits of the members. Once again, these are the types of business: sole proprietorship, partnership, corporation, and cooperative. Identify the type of business being described. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. This consists of two or more persons that contributes monetarily to the business fund. The answer is partnership. This is a non-profit organization which is operated by its members. The correct answer is cooperative. This type of business can either be general or limited. And this is partnership. This group cares less for business gains and is more focused on the benefits of the members. The answer is cooperative. A group of people who contributes to the business in the form of investments. And this is corporation. When the member of this type of business suddenly leaves, the business may be dissolved. This type of business is partnership. This is the simplest among all other types of business. The correct answer is sole proprietorship. The people in this type of business are called shareholders. The answer is corporation. He or she is fully accountable on the profits, liabilities, and legal issues on his or her business. The answer is proprietor. This involves an agreement in which the members will have limited authority in managing the business. The correct answer is limited partnership. This refers to the owner of sole proprietorship type of business. The answer is proprietor. Each member of this business has an equal authority to manage and control the business. The answer is general partnership. This refers to the group of people in the corporation. The answer is shareholders.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.